Yo, what's up, guys? This is the third time I'm recording this video because things keep bad happening. So, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a thumbnail to a YouTube video. My cousin, Fox, I'll leave her link in the description. She actually suggested for somebody to make this tutorial video, so I'm going to be doing it. So let's show you guys how to add a thumbnail to a video. And also, look at this trash. What is this? One of my videos are removed like a while ago, but still it happened and it makes me sad. I don't think I've ever talked about that actually. But here's how you do it. I'm just going ahead of you. I should probably stop. So that was just let's look up something random, doesn't really matter. Any images? No, that's sad. So I'm just googly eyes. Sure, that was the first thing that came to my head. I don't know why, don't ask. So you choose picture, epic, don't click it. Right click it, save image as, do whatever, googly eyes, name it, just like that. Go to create, upload video, and then click on this. And then you find a video. I'm just gonna click that one, sure. You choose the video you want to upload, and then you do your description and everything. But to make a thumbnail, you then click upload thumbnail, and now that you actually did all that and you downloaded that picture, you go to your downloads, you find that picture, and then boom, you got the picture right there, and that's your thumbnail. I think that's what you wanted. I don't know if that's what you wanted, Fox, but I hope it is. And then, you do all your upload. I don't actually want to upload this because I don't even know what it is, so I'm just going to cancel it. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you subscribe and like, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys later. Peace.